Good day again. I welcome you all. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much for choosing this video to watch. And today we are going to be talking about something very important. How much money or how much funds do I need to start trading? There's a question that everybody asks. There's a question that everybody's been asking me. How much money do I need? How much money did you start with to get where you are? And all those type of questions. My name is Mohomuti. I also go by the name Alpha Wolf Forex. I also go by the name Proqnosiz. Thank you very much for tuning in. I represent currency market execution. Please do not forget to like or follow this channel by simply clicking on the bell so that you can be notified the next time we do this broadcast. Also, please check our website. The link for our website is going to be on the description. There we have a blog and we cover very important topics. Also, we cover like some of the stuff that you don't cover on YouTube. We cover it on the blog. We put it on text. For those who cannot access video material, they can also read. I will also put a link of our blog on the descriptions. Okay, how much do I need to start trading Forex? This is a very important question, and I'm going to break it down with 4 points. I'm going to give you 4 points, so it's very important for you to watch this whole video, watch this entire video, so that you do not miss any points, so that you get to understand where I got or how I get to the amount that you actually need to start trading Forex, that you actually need for you to give you a base, a benchmark for you to have a swift trading career going forward. So how much do I need to start trading Forex?
Riding around, music loud, swerving with the top down, living life on the right. You only get this once and catch me riding.
Okay, let me answer your question, but before you even start, before you even worry about funding that account, one important step that you need, or one important thing, a point that you need to know is, before you even start, you need to get knowledge, because you can have $100,000, you can have $50,000, you can have $10. You know, it doesn't matter. I'm just saying before you start. I don't say you need $100,000 or $10. I'm saying before you even start to worry about it, you have to gather knowledge. You have to at least have some basic understanding or some basic knowledge about trading. There's a lot of materials. There's material in my channel. There's material all over YouTube. There's material also on books, you know, some websites that you can, you know, get some intro. We also, in our video, we have introduction to Forex trading, where we cover the foundational aspects of it. We have risk management. So check out the channel and check out also all the other materials and gather information before you start trading. That's what I always tell people, that it doesn't matter how much you have. If you don't have knowledge, you're going to blow that money. You're going to blow all that money. If it's 100,000, you just gotta take a while for it to blow, depending on how bad you are. So you need knowledge. So that's number one. Before you even worry about how much you need to fund, you need knowledge. Like I said on the previous video that I made, that trading Forex, you don't have to be a genius. It doesn't mean that it's only for elite people. You know, it's actually 80% is about emotion, and 20%, I would say, it's about knowledge. When I say 80% emotion, I mean you have to be trained emotionally to be able to trade, so that you can apply the knowledge that you have. So it's not really entirely that you have to be super smart to trade Forex. No, it's not like that. Because even the super fast, super smart, even the most intelligent people, they fail at Forex. You know, because it's not about intelligence, it's not about that. There's different aspects that you put, but you need some form of knowledge before you start trading. So number two, how much do I need to start trading Forex? Number two, it depends on your pocket. You know, it depends on your budget. It depends what I mean by that. I mean, it depends, you know, as people, we know the saying. I remember when I started, you know, I first did a demo. I didn't fund my account. I was first getting knowledge, and when I started with around, I think it was $300 to $400. you know. But I know a lot of people who started with $5. I know a lot of people who started with $10. I know a lot of people who started with $200. Like I said, it depends on how much you are willing to lose, and you know how much you are willing to lose. Because if you are starting, the chances of you losing that money are high, because yet you gathered information, yet you gathered knowledge, but you are still starting, you understand? So you're bound to make mistakes. So you have to take the amount that you are willing to lose, the amount that you are willing to depart, and that you are willing to learn with, you understand? Because trading on a demo and trading on a live is two different things. So even if you are good in a demo, doesn't guarantee you that you'll be good. At least it gives you a good step that you know what you are doing, you understand? So it must be money. Number two, it must be money that you are willing to lose. So the amount that I will give you, for you, depending on your budget, it must be money that you are willing to lose. That is a very important thing to know. And number three, it depends on your instruments. It depends on what you are going to be trading. So the amounts I'm going to give you, based on my experience, based on the research that we did, based on traders that I interact with, that are really trading. I'm not talking about people who are taking a chance. I'm talking about real traders, because we do have a trader community. We do have some traders that are that I communicate with, that we share ideas and stuff like that. So it depends on instruments, because trading indices, trading CFDs, trading stocks, trading forex, it is the same, but you don't, the money is not the same because of the volatility across the board. The volatility is not the same. Volatility in indices, they are not the same as the volatility in forex. You understand? They are different. So you need to have a certain account and a certain amount of money. So how much do I need to start trading? How much do I need to start trading forex? Fine. This is what you've been waiting for. According to my own experiences, according to my own research, according to the people that I interact with, according to what I've been through, I would say for forex, I'm going to break them down in different categories, because it is not the same. It is definitely not the same, that I guarantee you. It depends on what you're going to be trading. So if you're going to be trading forex, forex is cheaper to start. You can open an account for $5. I know some brokers that can even open an account with $1, but I wouldn't really suggest that. I would suggest that at least try to open an account from between $100 to $200 if you are starting, between $100 to $200. So it can be a standard account, meaning you will be trading with 0.01 lots. That is forex. That's after you've gathered some information, you've gathered some knowledge. You can open. There's a lot of brokers nowadays, like I said, in forex. It's cheaper to start. You can start with $1, you can start with $5, but trading with $1, it's going to give you it's not going to give you the feel of trading forex. You're not going to have enough room to learn. So at least $100 with a standard account, taking 0.01 lot sizes, it will give you enough time to learn, enough time to gather experience. And depending on your budget, $100, it might not be too much that you are risking. Like I said, it must be what you are willing to lose, but it's a good investment. It's a good investment going forward, because if you are continue to learn, if you are continue to gather information, you will make that money. If, for example, you start with $100 and then hopefully you won't blow it, but you take it to maybe you lose $50, you spend you stand more chance of making it back and doubling it over time. Unlike starting with $5, where you're not really gonna get the feel of trading. So for forex, I would say $100 to $200. You can start with that. It can give you enough room to learn. It can give you enough room to grow, and then you can grow substantial amount from that amount. Yeah? And then trading indices. Indices is different. It is not like forex, though they are very volatile. So the amount, I can say at least start with $300, but with a nano account. Try with a nano or a micro account where you can at least have a 0.001 lot sizes, because I guarantee you, I've seen people starting trading indices, and they open an account for $200, and then they say they are taking 0.10 lot sizes. Wow. You know, some of them, they even take 0.05 lot sizes. Wow, you can blow that account with one single trade, because can even blow. And they trade indices, your S&P 500, your UK 100, your Nasdaq, you know, and then they want to trade with high lot size on a small account, you will blow your account. So I can say you need at least $300. You can, but there's a but. It has to be a nano account or a micro account, account that you can take 0.001 lot sizes. At least it will give you room. 0.01, but with a $300, because if you can do 0.001 lot sizes, you can also do with a $200 account. But I suggest a $300 for it, because they are very volatile. And then do not take more than 0.05 with a $200 account trading indices. You're going to blow your account. You know, I know these people, there's a lot of this, I don't want to say this, but they see a lot of these gurus, these people, they are trading this with high lot sizes. They want to do, I promise you, in a long term, you're going to lose your money. You know, you can do 1-2 trades, like on the previous videos where we showed that in Forex, losses are there. You will, at some point, you will incur a loss. It's normal, it's part of the game. So if you're going to be trading with no formula, no system, no stop loss, you are taking high lot sizes on indices, you're going to blow your account. You know, that is why indices in general, it does not have a lot of successful traders. Why? Because of people. The only reason is not that it's difficult to trade, it's because people, they want to trade indices just like you're trading stocks, just like you're trading Forex, whereas the movements are not the same. So you have to at least trade it on a nano with a 0.01 if you are doing a trading between $200 to $300. Now for stocks, how much do I need to trade stocks? Stocks, it's my opinion, because anyway, in general, most brokers, to trade stocks, they give you a base, and you know it's not easy unless things change now for you to start trading stocks with a $200 account. I know it's a bit expensive, because also remember, trading stocks, it's commission based. You know, you have to pay commission, and to open an account to trade stocks, it's normally the brokers, they have a benchmark. So for me, I would say minimum at least $500. Stocks, it's a bit different. It's a bit expensive to trade stocks, meaning some brokers, what I mean expensive, I mean it's commission based, and most brokers, they have a benchmark. You know, it depends on which broker, but some of them, sometimes minimum will be $300, $400 to open an account, depending on a broker and depending where you are based. But I would say $500 at least, because stocks, they are not so volatile, but the reason is because of the amount I'm giving you is because of the brokers. They have a certain benchmark for you to open an account and for the money that you have to start trading stocks. But stocks are they are one of the most, I won't say stable, but and I won't say easy to trade, but they are very reliable when it comes to strategies and trading them. So that $500 should last you a long time, and should be able to jumpstart you and give you a very profitable, because also stocks, they are very good for long term, though you can day trade them, but with $500 you can stretch it, and yeah, so the reason I'm giving you that amount, again, I said, because most brokers, they have a benchmark. It's not like Forex, like I said, you can start with $5, you can start with $1, because brokers allow that, they allow you that. But with stocks, most brokers, they're usually expensive for you to start trading stocks. So there's a point that I gave. I said, number one, before you start trading, you need knowledge. So it's not really about the amount, you need the knowledge. You can have 100,000 without knowledge, that 100,000 will blow it, or you can have $10 without knowledge, that $10 will blow it. And then you have to use the money that you are willing to lose, meaning it depends on your budget. How much are you willing to lose? If you only can spare $50, then go for it with the $50, but make sure it's a nano account, so that it gives you more room for you to understand. Trading on a demo, trading on a live, there are two different things. The feeling and the emotions are not the same, because you still need to have emotional experience, emotional learning. I did explain that Forex is basically mostly about your emotional intelligence. You know, that is something that you cannot read, but it's something that you can learn through experience. So my name is Mohomuti. I go by the name Alpha with Forex. and I also go by the name Proqnosiz. Please, if you did not subscribe, hit that subscribe button. If you want to add something that I did not mention in this video, please do so and tell us how much did you start your trading. Like I said, I started with $300-400 to start trading, and yeah, I think on actually on the previous video, some videos I did, I already explained what happened. But otherwise, my name is Mohomuti. If you did not like this video, please do so. It helps us a lot so that a next person can watch it with YouTube analytics. And also hit us in the comment section. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you would like for us to discuss or what you want to hear us talk about. And I will see you again on the next broadcast. I am out.